I saw this video and I was so, I don't know why. I just felt like, let me share with you because I don't know, I love it. It's interesting. So let's find the value of x. It's actually easy, but interesting as well. Okay, so first we are going to transfer this to this side. All right. So we have half bracket 10 to the power of x minus 1 to the power of x is equal to 53 minus 3, because when this plus 3 crosses, we are going to have minus 3, right? So we have half bracket 10 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 50. All right, now we have fraction here, but we don't have fraction here. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove this fraction by multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. Okay, so we are going to have half multiplied by 2 bracket 10 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 50 multiplied by 2, right? So that this we cancel this, and we have 10 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 100. Okay, all right, now we have 10 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 10 to the power of 2. We're now going to solve using what? Law of, oh, I'm so sorry, I skipped something. So this is, there is x here, there is x here, right? Now there is still x here, there is still x here. Yeah, and we have 10 to the power of 2 here. Okay, now we have, let's open this bracket. I nearly missed that. So we now have 10 to the power of x times x will give us x squared, minus 1 times x will give us minus x, is equal to 10 to the power of 2. Now we have the same base. We can equate the powers, right? Once the bases are equal, the powers are equal as well. So we have x squared minus x is equal to 2. Please watch to the end and see how we substituted the value we got into the question to show that we are correct. Okay, don't miss that interesting aspect. Now let's bring this in, because this is actually what? A quadratic equation. Now look at this particular equation. We cannot solve this with normal factorization method, so we are going to solve this using the quadratic equation formula, which states that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. But here our a is equal to coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is minus 1, the coefficient of x, and our c is minus 2. So we are going to substitute this into this particular formula, and we have that x is equal to minus b, that is minus minus 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is minus 1 squared, minus 4 multiplied by a, which is 1, multiplied by c, which is minus 2. Okay, everything divided by 2a. Our a is 1. So we have x is equal to minus minus is plus, plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared is 1, then minus minus is plus, and 4 times 2 is 8, divided by 2. So our x is 1 plus or minus square root of 9 divided by 2. Okay, so x is equal to 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. Since our square root of 9 is 3, please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. That way you are encouraging us and assisting the AI or the algorithm to know that yes, this video is okay, and they can now distribute it to more audience that need it. Okay, so thank you so much. Your thumbs up means a lot to us. Your comments also means a lot to us. So we have x then is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by 2, or your x is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 2. So the first value of x should be 4 divided by 2. So the first value is 2, right? While the second value of x is equal to minus 2 divided by 2, which is equal to minus 1. Now let's substitute into the question. Okay, so the question says, I'll just write them somewhere, 2 and minus 1, 2 and minus 1, so that I can use here. That is the value of our x. So we have half bracket 10 to the power of, let's pick the first value of x, which is 2. So 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 is equal to 53. So we have half bracket 10 to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 3 is equal to 53. Okay, so we have half bracket 10 to the power of 1 is 1. 1 times 2 will give us 2, right? So this is 10 to the power of 2, which is 100, plus 3 is equal to 53. Now 2 will divide 100 to give us 50, so we have 50 plus 3 is equal to 53. And this is right. If you also substitute the value of your x, the other one, which is minus 1, I'm very sure you're still going to get the answer as 53. Thank you so much for watching.